area sesuai untuk kita ternak ikan pura untuk kenyang, tapi availability of adequate water round, all year round, PCI all year round. Okay. And then landslide to return water to be suitable for concrete construction. Itu oleh yang semen lah. Okay. My observation on the semen, I talk mainly on the Purao area. I don't talk about clay. You know why? If we can be successful, create environment for Purao, clay to me is nothing. It's piece of cake. Okay. Because now I have 6,000 to 10,000 clay in my pokong there. I do it using my DL technology. 2 bulan udah mesti butolnya. I have seen friends who use the canvas one. Aku nak beli, I went to see. One canvas nak, itu barang kita udah beli. One canvas tidak jual Rp900. 10 kaki, 3 kaki lebar ya, 4 kaki saya, peninggi 3 kaki.
Canvas. Menupik kan.
Ayo kita ingat khusus itu dah.
Guang canvas.
Okay, we talk about that. Bisa orang ngadu ke khusus canvas ni semua, you know how much they charge? Even that Jatropa, I have ordered cutting that. One day khusus they do about, not Jatropa, about vanilla, they charge 290. One subject aja. That's why. Mine, I talk about 3 subjects, I charge only 150. This is, many people don't understand it lah. Okay, back to the canvas tadi, baka tahu ya? Canvasnya tadi, I go back and start ngagak pulang pun. Susun aku basa, plasta aku. I can make 3 kolam, bigger than 1 canvas, less than 900 again. Cost ya, I try.
One.
Okay. Try already. So, nanti canvas nanti tu kita minta tolong kita install lah, charge 1,002 semua. Itu problem. Another problem is yang tadi yang fabric te kain. Pamaya bocor memang itu. Lepas ni ada oleh di tampar ngapa ada muka kita ngapa air berat. Pamaya bocor. Bingung mengenai. Right. Lepas kita yung India yang ada sometimes kela cari artinya. Okay. That is I have to tell you because I have done it. So that is another problem. The other problem is lepo kita ngagak pipingnya tadi baga aku tadi. Napok kaya susah. You know? We have to do it like that to make the fish grow. I have seen friends who do that canvas. Aku muda ikannya. I went there. Ikan aku terkara ikannya. Tingap-tingap. Because amatnya hidup. So the principle is amatnya hidup na. We cannot expect it to grow cepat. Lepas ni new stress. Waktu kita median itu galak stress ini kita hidup menyenang. Ngai besar. Ikan pun nak lepas air oksigen nak air namanya air nak dibuai air dia ikan terus. Because dia nak oleh ngak pipingnya banyak tadi. Not to say canvas is bad, but it has been used. But mayong penawak lah, I can tell you. It lasts not as long as batu tu. Itu batu bata ikan lah yang boleh apa usai. Itu salah piping pun. Anak tepuk baru, okay. Alright. So, jadi penyakitnya, I don't really talk much on that. But so far, not much problem on penyakit ya, seminyak ya, kato tadi. Nanti airnya nak berjalan, nanti anda cukup oksigen, ya selalu ya bisik, usai murah-murah, terus merah, itu ya.